Why Van Deusen Blue is the color everyone's talking about. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt calm, grounded, and just at peace? Well, chances are the color had a lot to do with it. And today, I'm going to introduce to you one of the most timeless, mood-shaping colors, Van Deusen Blue. Van Deusen Blue by Benjamin Moore is what I'd call a modern classic. It's deep navy that manages to feel both bold and soothing. Unlike lighter blue, which can sometimes feel airy or casual, Van Deusen Blue has this sense of sophistication, almost like it carries history in its pigments. Psychological impact. Now, let's talk about what this color does to your mind. Blue is generally known for its calming, stabilizing effect. It lowers the stress level, slows down a racing mind, and creates a sense of clarity. But Van Deusen Blue goes a step further. Because it's deeper navy, it brings feels of security, strength, and trust. Think of it like the emotion equivalent of warm embrace or a steady hand on your shoulder. That's why designers often call it confidence color. It grounds you, helps you breathe easier, and can even promote better focus and decision making. So, if your home is your sanctuary, this shade is like building emotional walls of strength and calm around you. Van Deusen Blue is incredibly versatile, and it pairs beautifully with a range of shades. Since it's a deep navy with gray undertones, it works best when balanced with naturals, warm metals, and a few pops of color. 60-30-10 rule with Van Deusen Blue. Before we explore how to use Van Deusen Blue in your space, I recommend watching our video on the 60-30-10 color combination rule. It's a great foundation for creating balance and harmonious interior. 60% dominant color, walls or larger surfaces. A natural base like crisp white, classic gray, or even soft beige. This keeps the room open, airy, and prevents the blue from feeling too heavy. Your secondary color, furnitures, cabinets, and accent walls. Here's where Van Deusen Blue shines. Use it on kitchen cabinet, a living room accent wall, bedroom headboard, or large furniture pieces like a sofa or sideboard. 10% accent color, accessories and details. Metallics like brass, gold, or matte black for fixture, lamps, or frames. Or add a pop of color like mustard yellow, blush pink, or even warm terracotta. These accents bring energy and personality without disrupting the balance. How to use it in different rooms. In a living room, Van Deusen Blue in a living room adds instant elegance. Use it on an accent wall behind your sofa or pair it with cream and beige tones for classy contrast. Add brass lamps or gold frame artwork, and suddenly you've created a space that feels luxurious and inviting. In kitchens, this color works magic on cabinets. Imagine deep blue cabinetry paired with white marble countertops or warm butcher block wood. It's chic, timeless, and gives your kitchen that designer touch without feeling overwhelming. Even a Deusen Blue kitchen island can make a huge statement. In bedrooms, for the bedroom, Deusen Blue is like a lullaby for the walls. It's restful and cocooning, making it easier to relax and sleep. Use it behind your headboard, feature wall, or balance it with soft grays, warm whites, or even blush accents for a modern yet calming vibe. In bathrooms, Deusen Blue creates that spa-like, intimate atmosphere. Picture it with white tiles and brushed brass fixtures. It turns even the smallest bathroom into a little retreat where you can truly unwind. So whether you want to make a bold statement in your living room, add class to your kitchen, or create a calming oasis in your bathroom, Deusen Blue is one of those colors that never disappoints. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more color trends and design tips.